This here is my 2017 6th generation Camaro SS 1LE with a manual transmission. I've owned the car for about a year and a half now, and I daily drove it for the better part of a year. That said, I've had a lot of time with the car, a lot of experience with this car, a lot of miles on this car, and I want to cover everything that I love about owning the SS 1LE. I think it's a very unique car with a lot of great attributes, and I want to highlight what some of those are for prospective buyers or if you just have general interest in the car. Hands down, my favorite thing about the SS 1LE is the dual mode exhaust that comes with the car for the 1LE package. The LT1's a great sounding engine. I mean, it's a big displacement V8, it's always going to sound good, but this exhaust is absolutely perfect. With the valves open in track mode, it's extremely loud and it's nice because it doesn't leave you wanting anymore, and the tone of it is very crisp as well. It's not raspy in any way, shape, or form, but it still is reserved enough where it doesn't drone, it's not obnoxious, and it's not annoying on a day-to-day basis. I think GM really nailed this, and there's no other exhaust setup that I would want on this car. Take a listen. And just so you could hear how much the exhaust valving does, I'm going to do a quick third gear and a little bit of fourth gear in track mode, and then I'm going to close it to stealth mode, and I want you to listen to the same thing and hear how much quieter it gets. The next thing here is how GM structured the mode adjustability with the dual mode exhaust. So we have a selector here that allows you to switch between sport mode, touring mode, track mode, kind of adjust all the different things on the car. But what I love is that the exhaust isn't purely tied to this. If you actually go into settings and then driving mode, we can see the three things that change when we use the mode selector. The first is engine sound management, which is your exhaust. The second is steering, that changes the weight and the precision of the steering. The third is suspension, that's what changes the damping settings on our magnetic dampers. Now, if we go into engine sound management, what's awesome about this, and the same applies to the other two settings, you can leave it in auto mode selector, meaning that the exhaust does whatever this button is electing, whatever mode the car is in, or you can leave it in certain modes at all times. So the way I run the car is I put the exhaust in track mode at all times, but steering and suspension are in auto where they're tied to the mode selector. And I think this is an incredible feature that they give you the ability to do this, because for street driving, I can drive the car in tour mode where the suspension's nice and comfortable, but leave the exhaust in track mode at all times where you get that lovely sound. Another related thing I love about the SS 1LE is the auto rev matching feature. From a daily usability standpoint, this is a massive win. When you're just driving around town at stoplights and whatnot, it's a lot easier to just chill out and let it do all of the rev matching for you than it is to try and sit there blipping the throttle constantly. It just gets annoying around town. In a performance setting like the track, it allows you to really focus on brake pedal modulation, focus on trail braking, and things of that nature, instead of having to do heel toe, where you could accidentally, as you blip the throttle, increase brake pressure intermittently, and it can be a little bit harder to manage that way. The other reason I like it though is the sound. The auto rev matching this car is very aggressive in the sense that it raises RPM very quickly. The result of that is that the car kind of barks as you downshift, and it just sounds absolutely awesome. It's completely intoxicating, and I like the fact that you can toggle it as well. You can turn it off if you want to do it yourself, or if you leave it on, it'll handle it all for you. But great feature all around. Next up in my favorite things about the SS 1LE are the Recaro seats that come only with the 1LE package. These are a lot more bolstered than the stock seats. They're also Alcantara, like a nice suede material in the center. You can see you have Recaro embroidered on this headrest here, but these seats are pretty much perfect for this car. They're extremely comfortable. I've taken this car on many 6 to 8 hour road trips at this point, and I've never once felt like my back was hurting or they were too uncomfortable. But at the same time, all of this nice bolstering provides a ton of support, so when you're cornering the car hard and you're actually taking it to the limit, its immense limit of what it's capable of, you're not feeling like you're sliding around or anything of that nature. And the last thing is that I think they just look incredible. That kind of like dual setup of the leather with the suede paired with the rest of the interior, I think looks just really nice. Another thing that I absolutely love about the SS1LE is obviously the general styling of the car is incredible. I think the black hood, the aero, black mirrors, the wheels, really all of it just looks very unique and special, and there's no question in your mind when you see this car that it's not your standard base model Camaro, and that I really do appreciate. However, the thing that I actually like the most of the 1LE package is the wheels. I think of all the wheel designs that GM has put out over the years between the 5th gen Camaros, the 6th gen Camaros, the Corvettes, this is one of the best that I have ever seen. I just think it fits the car perfectly and they stand really well. From a performance standpoint, they're excellent. You know, they have great weight to width ratio. They're very light for how much tire you're able to fit on them. But the color of them is great. For brake dust, you can basically hose off the brake dust. It's essentially the same color as the wheel, so you don't even notice how much accumulates with the stock 1LE pads, which are very dusty, by the way. But I think just the fitment and the look of these wheels is absolutely perfect on this car. The fitment is just right. They sit pretty much flush with the fender. If we look from the front here, you can see that's about as flush as you could possibly ask for, front and rear. And it really just gives a very aggressive look to the car. And it really ties everything together visually. So I think they knocked the wheels out of the park on this, and I wouldn't want any other wheels on it. One of the final things that I really love about owning an SS1LE, and this isn't really 1LE specific, this is more of just the 6th gen Camaro in general, but actually it's kind of the visibility and like the cockpit-like feel of this car. Oddly enough, the visibility is obviously one of the things, if you've been watching videos on the Camaro, that you've probably heard complained about somewhat nonstop. It's a lot of people's largest complaint with these cars. I'm of the opinion it's not that big of a deal. You get used to it pretty quickly. I mean, the blind spot is horrific. Like if I turn and look, you can see. If there were a semi-truck right there, I probably couldn't see them. But as long as you use your mirrors, I mean, you can kind of see everything just fine. So as long as you're aware of what's around you and you get used to the profile of the car, it's really not that bad. But I really love how much of like a GT car this feels like. Like it feels special from the inside. You have this squinty window and the car feels low and wide and you can see the hood out in front of you. And I don't know what it is about just that feel in general, but it makes the car just feel really special. And every time I get in this, it feels like an event. You don't ever feel like you're just casually driving somewhere. It always feels like you're doing something fun. And I do think for the 1LE in particular, the Recaro seats do add to that because you're so well held in by these thick bolsters that you really feel like you're like locked into like a true like driving position, and you're really connected to the car in that way. So that's something I really enjoy. So that sums up everything that I have loved about owning the Camaro SS1LE. I'll be honest, of every car I have ever owned, and there's been 14 or 15 at this point, I've owned Japanese cars, Corvettes, other Camaros, this is without question the best car that I have ever owned. I think it is an incredible value for the mid $30,000 range here in the US to get a car that is this fast, this capable, this fun, and still relatively easy to daily drive. And I mean, I think from a visual standpoint, I don't know if there's anything better looking, in my opinion, in this price range that's not modified or anything of that nature. So yeah, the SS1LE, absolutely fantastic car. There's a reason it's so highly regarded in the car world. It's been an absolute pleasure to enjoy, and I hope you found some useful things about what you can look forward to in the event that you decide to own one of these cars. That said, that's about all I have. So thank you for watching and have a great day.